Benefit of building with Boutique and being part of the ABN Group is you're building with an established builder, a builder that's been around for 42 years and built over 70,000 homes.
For me, Boutique, the difference has always been about the design. It starts with the home, and a lot of thought and care goes into the furnishability of those floor plans, how amazing our facades are. We really think about how people are going to be living in their homes.
We try to give identity and character and personality to every individual home. And we would like to offer people different concepts, different atmospheres, different looks to bring their dream home into life. And I think when they come into Boutique Home, it's like a breath of fresh air. And this is the feedback we've had.
I think one of the things that we really noticed in the Melbourne market was there was a wide range of how builders approach pricing, and it was a bit confusing. And so one of the things we really worked hard on was making sure that we fixed everything up as much as we could in advance. The base price includes all the premium inclusions that we think most customers will want.
Products such as CSR roof tiles, Boral plaster, Hume doors.
And then inside you've got the Ilve appliances, the Polytech cabinetry and the Caesarstone bench tops. And it really comes through. You can see the quality of builds is second to none.
Boutique homes are built to last. That's why we back our 25-year guarantee. It's the extra concrete, it's the extra steel, it's the framing that we use, it's our quality plumbing. It's all those things that do get hidden once the house is plastered and painted, but that's quality to us.
The most important ingredient in people that work within Boutique is to have the passion for the job that they do.
We understand that it's the biggest investment that you'll ever make, and we want to ensure that we get that right for you. What that means for you as the customer is that you're going to get somebody that's building your home for you like they'd be building their own.
Because this is longevity, this is what maintains the product and keeps the reputation as one of the best builders in Victoria.